Product type: electronic switch. Item package weight: 0.022 pounds. Item package dimension: 15.24 cm L x 5.08 cm W x 2.032 cm H. Country of origin: China. Since 1918, we have been the automotive aftermarket's pioneering problem solvers. We have released thousands of parts and components that people could once only buy from original equipment manufacturers. By always innovating, we have led the way in growing the aftermarket, providing more opportunity to individuals and businesses who depend on automotive maintenance. That's why our catalog includes more than 80,000 products and grows every year. Top reviews from the United States. Is what I needed. These clips can be a pain to replace, but that is no fault to the product itself. Just how the ohm ones were. But, this one replaced the factory one with no issues.